Hello, I'm in a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, and I'm going to show you how to change the language settings. So say maybe you need English or Spanish or something like that. So all that's controlled through the voice controls. So we'll hit this voice control, and then we'll access the setup, and then pairing options, or where it says all those sorts of things, we'll hit language. So we'll go through that now. Clay's device. Setup.
Disconnected. Ready.
Setup.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, language, passcode, select phone, or select music player.
Language.
Select a language: English, French, Spanish, or Japanese.
English.
Available options are English, French, Spanish, Japanese, or say cancel to return to main menu.
English.
English selected. Returning to main menu.
Alright, well that's it. Obviously if you don't want English, you say different language, but I hope that was helpful and hope you have a great day.